Hi, and welcome to September's Pick a Stick Challenge. This is a monthly challenge that we issue to our Facebook group for a art journal page, a tag, and an ATC. And the first thing that we do is we draw two colors from the basket. Those are purple, so I'm just going to reach in here. I'm going to grab the first one, which is yellow, and another one, get over here, something different, which is green gold. Yellow and green gold. Okay, I'm going to put those in here. Then we need two green sticks. One, two green sticks, two orange sticks, which is the Technique green sticks or products. Need one blue stick, which is description. I need two action sticks, which are the red. So we'll do two red, got the purple already, and then I need one shape, which is a yellow. So let me get this bright yellow over here. Okay, so let's see what we're working with here. So I've got my picks here, and I'm just going to grab the first one, which is, oh, I know we had that one already. I'm going to pick another yellow, which is fish. Is our shape, and we're going to get a canvas, and smear, and composed, and what else do we need? We need an action staple, and another dip, and then we need our two, what do they call it? Two, I'm drawing a blank. Wild card. Wild, W-I-L-D, card, C-A-R-D. Okay. Okay, the first one is heat. And the next one is secondary. I mean, that could be anything. You know, you don't have to take these things literally. You know, this is your interpretation of these words. All right. Staple could be like a staple from a staple gun. It could also be a staple from your cupboard. You know, if you're looking for oats or something, it could be a staple. So, you know, don't take this stuff, you know, all that literal. Okay, so now we need our tag, which is, the color for the tag is green gold. And the wild card for the tag is smear. And then we've got canvas and dip and fish. And what else do we have here? We need a red, don't we? Staple. Okay, so canvas, dip, fish, and staple. Okay, then we got the ATC. Go back to our colors, which is green gold. And then we're done with those colors, so I can get those out of there. Then we've got to pick, first one is Dip. Next one is Heat. And the last one is Fish. A lot of fish this month. Okay, guys. And, you know, fish could be you're fishing for something in a bowl, too. It doesn't necessarily have to be a fish. So, it's just a shape. So, you know, a fish could just be something like that. All right. That's it. Go out there, make your art, get it posted. I want to see what you guys are doing. Use the hashtags, and I'll get those graphics up on the website. And come and join us. Bye for now.